video is all about Mahalaya, the 15-day lunar period or Krishna Paksha period during which people remember and pay homages to their ancestors through food and water offerings. Hence, this is also known as Pitru Paksha and is considered to be dedicated to performing death rituals known as Shraddha and Tarpana. Let's know more about Mahalaya. The major aspect of Mahalaya is the performance of Shraddha to ensure that the soul of the ancestors goes to heaven. Shraddhena karoti Shraddha. Shraddha is something which is performed with respect and dedication towards ancestors. Many households perform the ritual of Pitru Tarpana. They offer prayers through Pinda Pradhana and Tila Tarpanam so that their ancestors' soul will get Sadgati. The Puja Vidhi starts with the Shraddha Deva Puja to Lord Janardana Vasudeva. All Upachara Puja is performed. Next, the Shraddha is performed facing south direction and all the three generations of the deceased ancestors are offered prayers: Pita, Pitamaha and Prapitamaha. Pinda Pradhanam and Bhojanam with special dishes using sprouted moong dal gershi, fodi, godshe, varna and alya chutney is served to ancestors.
शीत वाटते तशी जे आम्ही नित्य जेवणाक फस्ट पानार शीत वाडून तसं एक नॉनचे जेवण रंधय जेवण कसं एक वाणग्यान मीठ जेवण कसं वाणग्यान मागीर शीत वाडता श्राद्धाक फस्ट शीत वाडता.
Tila Tarpanam using til or black sesame seeds is another Mahalaya Vidhi. All these are meant for Pitru Tripti, that is Tripti for the deceased souls, and this leads to the attainment of their blessings in 7 forms, that is Ayush, Praja, Dhana, Vidya, Swarga, Moksha and Sukha. After the Krishnarpana, mainly 3 Tarpanas are performed for the Devaruna, Rishiruna and Pitruruna for the Sadgati of souls of Guru, Swami or Mitra or any other deceased souls. There is also a custom of offering some cooked rice with a flame kept in the middle, and this is offered to the souls at the twilight. Thus, though there are no auspicious events held in Mahalaya, this period is considered to be a very powerful period of life.